Okay, so this video is going to show you how you can record basically save video files from other websites that use M3U8 files to stream. And this example is going to be use the PBS Kids website. So before I actually go ahead and load the page, I've opened the developer tools, by going to more tools, developer tools, and then I've got the network tab selected, and I've got M3U8 up here in the filter box. I also have my command prompt open, and I've navigated to the directory where Streamlink is located, and I also have a notepad file open with the Streamlink command line where I'm just going to paste the URL into it and then paste it to actually run it in the command prompt. So I'm going to click on videos, and now it's not actually going to load live TV at first. It's going to load these little kind of promos. So before that actually begins, now I'm going to click on live TV. Again, this is a promo that's playing. This is not the actual live TV stream. Okay, now the live TV stream is up, and so I know just from experience that it's this particular URL right here. It's the one that just ends with EST. It's not the others, but again, you can experiment or test it out, if you're not sure which M3U8 file it is. So I'll paste that here into my command link in Notepad, and then I will copy it. I will paste it into the command prompt, and then it should start saving this stream. Notice it's got a bunch of different options for quality from 236p all the way up to 1080p. So I'm going to let this record for a little while, and then after that I'll stop it and we'll just go check on the file just to confirm that it got both the video and the audio. So now that we got about 30 seconds worth, I'm just going to go ahead and do Control-C several times to stop it. And the TS files from this website are generally pretty good quality, so I'm not going to convert it to an MKV using FFmpeg. I'm just going to go ahead and play it. However, the first thing I want to do is just turn the volume down on the main program, just so that way you don't hear it coming through while I'm playing the file I just recorded. So now I'm going to go ahead and play the file that I just recorded. Okay, it takes a little while to get going there, but it looks like what was on the screen, and you should be hearing the sound as well. Hop and leap like a kangaroo, then fat like a... Now you can see there's several times here where it's pausing, so you could try converting it to an MKV or an MP4 just to confirm that the file itself is fine, that it wasn't an actual issue, in terms of like the downloading or recording it. But generally, the overall file itself should be good to go. You can add a swirl. So let me just do one thing. I will go ahead and try converting this to an MKV, and then we can test it out and see if there was a problem with actually grabbing it, or if the problem was just in playback. Okay, so it looks like it's done already. So now I'll just go to the FFmpeg directory. Okay, so here's my file, and now I'm going to go ahead and play it. Dance with a rooster, cat-a-roo. Just do what a rooster, cat-a-roo can do. And notice it appears to be playing pretty well. There's no pausing, there's no stopping or anything. So if needed, you can convert it to an MKV. But it appears it grabbed, the stream without any issues, without any problems. I'll just go ahead and mute it now. Okay, so again, this has been an example of how to download or save or record files from another website like PBS Kids, for example, that has its files video streamed using M3U8 files, and there's tons of other websites out here that do this, like websites for individual specific cable channels, or even the main PBS channel has a live stream of kind of like a national feed for the different time zones that you could grab it from as well.